Hi viewers, today we're looking at the period add function within MySQL Workbench, which adds a specific number of months to the current year and month. So first of all, we're going to enter select and then space and control space, page down to period add, tab on period underscore add. Within the brackets we're going to start off with the date value that we want, so you need to put this in year and month, as in you can put it as YYDD or you can put it as YYYYDD. So we're going to use a full length, so we're going to say 2014 and then the month 01, and then we're going to add 2 days to that, sorry, and see what that does. Run that, and as you can see underneath, it comes up with the month, the date of March 2014. So it's added two months onto the value. So it's come out with it's changed from January 2014 to March 2014. So the period add basically adds the months onto the year and month you give. That's it really. That is the period add function within the MySQL Workbench.